Assalamualaikum students, welcome to English online class. I hope so you all will be fine. Allah bless you all. Today we are going to do our workbook, page number 6. So let's get started. Open up your workbook, page number 6. Okay, first of all, mention date and day on the top of the page. Our unit 2 is I want to stay away. You read that story. It was the story of invention of tea in ancient China, and the character of the story were emperor, his doctor, and his servants. Okay, here is instruction given to you. Consult your dictionary. It means you have to look these words in your dictionary. You have to look definition, okay, definition of the given words, and you have to make sentences of your own. The first word is servant. Okay, first word is servant, and you have to guess whether which parts of speech is it, whether it is noun, verb, adjective, adverb, pronoun. Okay, so our first word is servant, and it's a noun, and its definition is, the definition of servant is a person who performs duties for others. Okay, a person who performs duties for others. And sentence, I want to hire a servant. Next word is offered. Offered is a verb. Okay, and its definition is make available or provide. I offered Ali some money. Next word is awake. Awake is a verb, and the definition of awake is make or become active again. Okay, and the other definition is stop sleeping. You can write, you can choose one of these definitions. The sentence is I was kept awake all night by the noise. And here are two more words that are wonderful and excitement. You have to write it by your own. You have to consult the dictionary, and you will write the definition by yourself. Okay, do this page neat and clean and send pictures. Move towards the next page, that is page number 7. We will do the exercise as well. Mention date and day. Here's a question, missing letters. It means here some words are given and letters are missing from them. You have to complete them by writing the missing letters. There is a missing letter in each word below. Write the complete word on the blank line besides each word with the missing letters. Okay, the first word, you can see that first and last letter is missing, and if you consult with your reading, so it will get the word emperor. Okay, the next word is offered, and you will write complete word here in the given space. Excitement. Okay, spread, you have to write spread here. Doctor. Okay, next word is China. Next word is uneatable, shouted, smells, and wonderful. Okay, next, here's a question, why was the doctor called by the emperor one morning? Okay, if you go through the story, the answer will be in first paragraph. Why the emperor called his doctor? Because he could not keep his eyes open. Okay, its answer. Next, question number 2, instruction is given, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Okay, the doctor gave the emperor some tea leaves to help him stay awake. The emperor chewed them but thought that they did not taste nice. Okay, you did this question in your reader. Okay, question number 3 is, here is question and 3 possible options are given, so you have to tick mark the right one. The emperor was angry because A, he couldn't chew the tea leaves, B, the tea leaves were not tasty, and the third one is The doctor gave him something that was uneatable. So the right option is option B. The tea leaves were not tasty. So tick mark it here. Move toward workbook page number 8. Okay, tick the correct answer. Question number 4. As he was leaving the emperor's room, the doctor dropped some tea leaves into emperor's bath water on purpose. Okay, so it's a false statement. He didn't throw the leaves on purpose. It was an incident. Fifth one. That smells wonderful, said the emperor. What does that refer to? What thing smells wonderful? Tea leaves or tea smells wonderful. Okay, when he drops some tea leaves in hot water cup, it smells wonderful. Okay, why did the emperor ask for a cup of hot water? He asked for a cup of hot water to make tea. Question number 7 is, when the servant brought the... Okay, first read the instruction given at the end. Strike out the wrong word. Okay, you have to strike out the wrong word. When the servant brought the bath cup of hot water, the emperor doctor put some tea leaves in the water. Okay, the right option is, when the servant brought the cup of hot water, the emperor put some tea leaves in the water. He tasted or smelled it first and then drank it all up. So he smelled it first and then drank it all up. Soon he stopped feeling sleepy. So the right option is stop. Soon he stopped feeling sleepy. Question number 8. What two things did the emperor do to show that he liked the tea? Okay, you again go towards the reading and read the passage again. Two things the emperor do to show that he liked the tea is, a big smile spread across his face. Okay, and the second, and he called it a wonderful drink. So these two sentences shows that he liked the tea. Question number 9 is, do you think the emperor's doctor was a good and clever doctor? Why do you think so? The doctor was good and clever. Yes, the doctor was clever and good because he cured the emperor. Okay, with his cleverness, he cured the emperor. And the last page of our exercise is workbook page number 9. Please mention date and day. Recall the story. Here short questions are given. You have to complete it. What was the story about? Okay, you know that the story was about tea. When did the story happen? The story happened in the morning. You read in the story that the emperor couldn't open his eyes in the morning. When did the story happen? Where did the story happen? The story happened in China. Okay, the emperor was belonged to China. Who was in the story? You have to write character here. Okay, the emperor, doctor, and servants are the character of that story. What was the problem in the story? The problem was the emperor could not open his eyes. Okay, he was feeling sleepy. Okay, next is, the emperor of China wanted to stay awake. He used 3 leaves of tea one day. Second day he used 6 leaves. On the third day he would use 9 leaves. Can you complete the given sequence for him for the upcoming days? Okay, first day he took 3 leaves, next day 6 leaves, and the third day 9 leaves. Then you have to add 3 more. Okay, 3, 6, 9 and 12. Okay, and on the next day you will add 3 more. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. Okay, complete these sequence too. Okay, here's a mathematics question as well. 3, 8, 13. You have to guess the difference between 3 and 8. Okay, here's a difference of 5 numbers between 3 and 8. You will add 5 more in 8, so answer will be 13. If you add 5 more in 13, the answer will be 18, then 23 and then 28, right? In the next 7, 21. Here's a difference of 14 numbers, so you will add 14 in 7, so answer will be 21, and if you add 14 in 21, the answer will be 35. Moving towards, the answer will be, by adding 14 in 35, the answer will be 49, 63 and 77. Okay student, please complete these pages.